Unearth the Secrets of Peat Moss, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases and uncovering the meaning behind peat moss. Whether you're a gardener, a nature buff, or just curious about this term, you're in the right place. Get ready to enhance your vocabulary and grasp the essence of this intriguing phrase. Let's begin by breaking down the phrase into two parts, peat and moss. Peat is a type of soil that's made up of decayed organic material, usually found in wetlands. Over thousands of years, dead plant material piles up and compresses, forming this dense, rich substance. On the other hand, moss is a small, green plant that grows in moist, shaded areas. It doesn't have flowers or seeds and reproduces through spores. When we talk about peat moss, we're specifically referring to the moss that contributes to the formation of peat. Peat moss plays a significant role in the environment. It has a unique ability to retain water, which helps to regulate the wetlands' ecosystems. Interestingly, peat moss can hold up to 20 times its dry weight in moisture. This characteristic is vital for the survival of many plants and animals living in these areas. Moreover, peatlands are crucial as they act as carbon sinks, meaning they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process is essential for combating climate change as it helps to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases. Apart from its environmental significance, peat moss is also widely used in gardening and agriculture. It is an excellent soil conditioner, enhancing the soil's ability to retain nutrients and water. This makes it particularly popular for seeding lawns, growing vegetables, and potting plants. Its sterile nature also prevents the spread of harmful pathogens to plants. And there you have it, a tour through the mossy realms of the term peat moss. It's not just a phrase but a tiny window into the vast and intricate world of ecology and horticulture. We hope this exploration has added a rich layer of meaning to your English vocabulary and perhaps even sparked a new interest in the natural world. Keep nurturing your language skills, and until next time, happy learning!